In today's video, we're going to be going through the top 5 investing platforms that are available for New Zealanders and how you can get invested in the New Zealand stock market, the US stock market, and more. Now, these platforms are not ranked in terms of favorability. In fact, they're more in line with beginner up to more of an experienced investor in terms of where you might put yourself between these two categories. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button down below. That is greatly appreciated. We have just surpassed 2,000 subscribers and on our way to 3. So if you want to be part of that, hit that subscribe button. Now, the first platform we have here, and this is actually the very first platform I started out investing on, is Sharesies. You can grab yourself $5 by using that link down below, and it's completely free to sign up. So Sharesies is a New Zealand platform that offers, originally offered access to the New Zealand stock market, but has since also introduced the US stock market to its platform as well. So you can invest in both New Zealand and US funds and companies. The platform is powered also by Drive Wealth for its US shares as well. And in terms of pricing wise, they do charge a monthly fee for the accounts. That is if your balance is more than $50. So you can see here, monthly it's free, or if you're 50 to 3,000, it is $1.50 per month, and 3,000 plus is $3 a month. So if you do have more than $3,000 though, I would recommend doing the $30 per year. This is what I do, but again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my personal experience and what I have done. Sharesies also allows you to create a kids account as well. So if you want to get started with your kids with investing and maybe investing a little bit of their pocket money, then you can sign up with those as well. And I believe the fees, I think kids accounts are actually completely free. You obviously just have to create a adult account beforehand in order to then create the kids account. Moving on to our second platform now, and this is another New Zealand company here, and this is Hatch. Okay, Hatch is powered by Kiwi Wealth, which is again also owns like Kiwi Bank, so very reliable in terms of and very secure. So your money is safe within there. I have gone more into detail about how safe your money is on this platform in a previous video. But in terms of their pricing structure, or what they actually do, firstly, is they offer the US stock market, again, using Drive Wealth as their broker. Their fees wise is a little bit different to Sharesies. They offer a 0.5% exchange fee on converting your New Zealand dollars to US dollars so you can trade. And then also per trade to either buy or sell shares, it is $3. So again, if you are buying more than 301 shares though, there will be an additional 0.01 US dollar, so 1 cent US dollars. They also sort out your W8BEN tax form. That is a one-off $1.50 fee when you sign up, and then they have an annual 50-cent US fee just to keep it up. Hatch is in fact the platform that I use to hold most of my money, so not playing favorites here, but being a New Zealand company, I like to support local, and also with their fee structure as well as their the availability of shares and companies that you can buy, I should say. Really enjoy the platform and its user interface. Our next platform here is Stake. I have done a comparison of Stake and Hatch as well. You can see that in a previous video. I'll probably put it somewhere up over here. But Stake is, I believe, Australian and also Great Britain. So not a New Zealand company. However, they launched in New Zealand early 2020. And they actually offer commission-free trading. So although they're commission-free, I believe in terms of pricing, they do have different tiers of accounts that you can have. So yeah, this is their commission-free. The exchange rate though is 1% exchange. So like I said with Hatch, it was 0.5%, where they obviously make a little bit of money through their transfer fee. And you can also see down here as well, they have withdrawals, have a $2 bank processing fee. And also their US dollar amount is a minimum of $2. So if you work out, that's 1%. If it's $2 or more, then or $2 or less, then it's kind of not worth it. Now, also premium upgrades, like I said, they do have these extra packages. This allows you to do things like get pro level data, analyst ratings, instant buying power. So this means that when you sell a share and you have that money, rather than it being held for about 2 to 3 days, you can actually instantly use that money to buy and reinvest that money into other shares or other companies. And again, if you want to sign up to stake, you can do so using that link down below. They do actually have a reward. I think you can get yourself a share in a company. So yeah, once you sign up and you add money to your account, you'll be able to, I think, spin a wheel, and it will kind of give you a share in a certain company, whichever one it lands on. So these three platforms do have really clean user interfaces. They make it super easy for beginners to invest and learn more about investing. Obviously, if you are starting out here in New Zealand, I do really recommend Sharesies to start off with. But if you are looking really into investing in the US stock market, then both, well, actually all three platforms obviously allow you to invest in those markets. But Hatch, I really enjoyed the user interface and the fee structure with investing in the US stock market. All right, now getting more in depth into more maybe like an intermediate to advanced investor, we have Tiger Brokers. Tiger Brokers, you can see here over the summer, I think it ends at the end of February, so currently this month. They offer 0% commission on the US stock trading. They actually offer more than just the US stock market. They offer the Australian. So if we scroll down here, we can see you've got Hong Kong, US, Singapore, Australia, and I think China as well. So all over the world, you can invest in different markets, and it's super easy to sign up as well. You can just open an account, and I will actually leave a link as well. You can get $15 if you sign up using my link. Like I said, all of my links I've kind of gone link frenzy right here. Yeah, if you want to use them, that's cool. If not, that's completely fine as well. If you want to support the channel, that's what those links are there for. And obviously they do reward yourself. You can also head over to Tiger Brokers as well and check out their fee structure. So like I said, US stocks, they actually have a $0 commission at the moment. And then you've got Hong Kong, China, Singapore, and then also Australian as well. Last and definitely not least, we have Interactive Brokers. This is actually a platform that I've signed up very recently to, and this is because I wanted to have a lot more access, especially into like after hours and pre-market. You can also do things like options trading, margins, everything like that. So a lot more advanced as well, more sophisticated investor. The platform itself, I wouldn't liken it to the likes of Sharesies, Hatch, or Stake in terms of its user interface. But I guess once you have used these platforms before and you're moving more into the intermediate and advanced kind of side of things, you actually probably know a little bit more about what you're looking at and how to do things, especially if you're learning more about options trading, etc. However, those are my top 5 investing platforms for us Kiwis to get into the market, whether it is New Zealand market, US market, or even other internationals like China, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Australia. You're welcome to use any of these platforms. It's all up to you. All of them are completely free to sign up. So sign up to 1, 2, or maybe all 5 of them. That is completely up to you. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more if you really want to see more about investing, business, and personal finance. That is all from me today, and we'll see you guys in the next one.